Welcome back to my channel. Here we are going to be continuing with the looking at the marking guide that is for the year 2023, paper 3. We have looked at that of the freehand sketching, where we have to convert isometric orthographic view into isometric view by freehand sketch and the sketching of the tools. So now we want to look at that of the uh, floor plan. So for floor plan, so we want to look at the marks awarded to that, and then you may your own work may be similar to this, or the marking guide from your own may be similar to this. And do not forget, I'm not sharing the question you are going to do tomorrow with you. I don't have it, as I said. So I'm just trying to help so that you can have the knowledge of how your mark will be, how your work will be marked, and the how the mark awarded to the part of the work you are going to do. So let's go and look at it. Okay, so this is what we have here. So it's question 4. We have building drawing, and 70 marks is awarded to everything that you have to do in building drawing. So we are starting with the floor plan. As I said, as you can see here, floor plan, and the mark that is going to be awarded to this. It is written here. Let's look at it, how they are going to mark it. So here we have the major steps involved in the drawing with allocated marks. So for drawing to correct scale of 1:100, 1 mark. So you are expected to follow the scale given to you. And as you have seen in some of my work, or most of my work here on my channel, so whenever we are to construct the building plan, so we have to follow, make use of the scale given. So that means in this drawing, they gave a scale of 1:100. So you have to divide each dimension by 100. So if you make use of the scale given to you, you will receive 1 mark. Then for drawing the walls, 9 verticals, 9 vertical and 8 horizontal. So for drawing the walls, 9 vertical and 8 horizontal. Let's look at it. So this is 1. Okay. We have 2. So this is 3. This is 4. Then here we have 5. This is 6. So this is 7. So this is 8, and this is 9. So 9 vertical walls. So if we have the number of vertical walls that may be given to you in your work, so there is a particular mark they are going to award to that. And then we also have 8 horizontal walls. So this is 1. So here we have what we have. This should be 2. So this is 3. So here we have 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. Then here we have what we have 8 here. So we have 8 horizontal lines here. So the total mark that will be awarded for drawing 9 vertical and 8 horizontal wall, so is 4.5 mark. And then for drawing the beams, 1 internal and 1 external, so 2 marks is awarded to that. Where do we have the beams? This is a beam, and then we also have another beam. Let me look at it. So we have another beam. So this is 1. Okay, this is another one here at the lobby here. So for doing that, or for drawing that, you'll be awarded 4 marks. And then for drawing the windows, 16 of them, 4 marks. So let's look at the number of windows. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So 16 of them form marks awarded to that. For drawing the 12 doors, so 11 single, 1 double swing doors, 3 marks. So if you look at number of doors that we have here, this is 1, 2, okay, this is Okay, this is one single door, one. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then so other ones, we have them wherever they are. Okay, so then for one double swing door, so we have it here. So for doing that, or for drawing that, 3 marks will be awarded for you. Then for drawing the east projection is this line that we have here drawn with short dashes line. So for doing that, for drawing the east projection, we are told that they are to award 1 mark for you. Then for drawing the cutting plane, 1 mark. So this is the cutting plane. Please make sure you put the cutting plane there. Though some of my own drawing, I didn't put the cutting plane, but here now you can see the marking guide. Please put the cutting plane there in the drawing. Very, very important. Then for identifying the spaces, that is for labeling or for writing this compartment, the use of this compartment. So here we have living room, we have dining room, we have kitchen, we have bedroom, we have WC, bedroom, passage, lobby, and toilet, and WC. So for that, so we have the mark awarded to that is 2 marks. And then for writing floor plan beneath the drawing, 1 mark. So you have to write floor plan here. Then for neatness and quality of lines, 1 mark. So the total mark awarded to the construction of the floor plan is 20.5 marks. So very, very important to follow all that I explained here. So if you do that, you surely get your marks, your total marks, or you get your marks as you are supposed to get it. So thank you and God bless you. So we meet on the next one for the front elevation. Thank you.